Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Galaxy S23 Plus with a cracked camera cover. You can see there it's so broken. So let's find out what else is broken. So the client went to our shop and wanted to have his S23 Plus checked. You can see there it's just a broken camera glass, no damage in the back cover, no damage in the main display, and we have to open it up to see what's done inside the smartphone. Typically, if you broke your camera glass, the camera lens, the actual camera lens and the sensor is okay inside, but we have to be very sure. So we'll open it up. This one is also very difficult because the back cover is made up of premium glass. You can see there David is using the thinnest pry tool we can have, and you can see it's also using plastic and alcohol. We're spraying it. Make sure we don't overdo the spraying. We'll soften the adhesive and slice through the adhesive while it's dripping with alcohol. Going to the other side. To be very careful. This one is brand new, almost brand new S23 Plus. No damage anywhere on the smartphone. Even the main display has a screen protector, so if we mess this up we have to pay the client. But David has successfully done it. Also removed the subframe for the camera cover. Have to remove this. It's also held on with adhesive. Usually if it's a lower Galaxy device, you don't see any subframe on the camera cover, but this one has. We'll pull this out, use two pry tools, and we'll see if we can pop out the camera cover. And we have already confirmed that the camera lens and the camera sensor for this specific camera is safe and not damaged. So we just replace it with a replacement cover. We'll bill the client just for that repair. We are not gonna disassemble the smartphone any further. This is just gonna be a quick video, show you that we only fix what's broken. We don't open up the smartphone if it's not necessary. Removing the back cover is necessary because we have to confirm if there was a damage in the camera lens, and there was none, and we're gonna give it back to our client. So if you're interested in this kind of repair, if you can't find it, the part that you're looking for in eBay or Amazon, definitely support your local repair center. Sydney CBD Repair Centre is located in the heart of Sydney. You can also message us beforehand if you want to mail in your broken smartphone to us. We can also fix that up for you. And right here, David is gonna wrap things up. We are gonna reassemble everything and complete the repair. So I hope you enjoy this, guys. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and like and subscribe to our channel if you're an enthusiast of smartphone repair. We aim to reduce waste, save the planet, and of course save you money. Till next time, guys, take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
everything I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time?